अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ नाहिदा। वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग। आज मैं आपको ले जा रही हूँ दुबई फ्ली मार्केट। यस, दुबई फ्ली मार्केट। यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी अमेजिंग चीज़ शॉपिंग करने मिल जाएंगी। आप आपका खुद का भी स्टॉल लगा सकते हो। यहाँ पे सिर्फ 300 दिरहम्स में आपको एक टेबल मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप अपनी चीज़ें रख सकते हो और बेच सकते हो। और यहाँ मार्केट में आपको बेहतरीन चीज़ें इतने कम प्राइजेस में मिल जाती है। आई कांट टेल यू इनफ कि ये कितनी अच्छी मार्केट है। ये मार्केट लगती है दुबई में डिस्कवरी गार्डन्स में, अल फुरजान मेट्रो स्टेशन के जस्ट ऑपोजिट। ये मेरे घर के काफ़ी पास होता है। मैं 3 साल से फ्ली मार्केट जा रही हूँ एंड ये साल हर साल ये फ्ली मार्केट और भी अच्छा होता जाता है और बहुत बड़ा होता जाता है बिकॉज़ बहुत सारे लोगों को इसके बारे में पता चलता है। तो ये वाली बारी तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनके पास अच्छा कलेक्शन था। घर की चीज़ों का, डेकोर का कलेक्शन। दे हैव शूज़, दे हैव टॉयज़ फॉर किड्स, दे हैव ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स, दे हैव बैग्स, दे हैव ज्वेलरी। ओ माय गॉड, देयर इज़ एंडलेस थिंग्स। आई मीन, आप अगर सोच रहे हो कुछ चीज़ ख़रीदने की, यहाँ पर वो आपको ऑलमोस्ट 50 to 75% ऑफ के प्राइजेस में मिल जाएंगी। कुछ कुछ चीज़ें यूज्ड होती है बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे न्यू भी होती है। तो जिस तरीके से आप चीज़ों को देखो, आप उसे अच्छी तरीके से चेक करो, फिर बाद में चीज़ों को लो। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं सामने जो है, ये है अल फुरजान मेट्रो स्टेशन जो आता है रेड लाइन में। उसी के जस्ट सामने ये दुबई फ्ली मार्केट होता है और अब ये मार्केट शुरू हो रहा है। सो गाइज़, यू कैन एन्जॉय। ये वीडियो के साथ साथ मैं आपको काफ़ी दुबई फ्ली मार्केट में शॉपिंग करने के टिप्स आपको बताऊंगी, क्योंकि मुझे करीबन 3 साल हो गए हैं मैं यहाँ पर शॉप कर रही हूँ और मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें पता चल गई है कि आपको कैसे शॉपिंग करनी है, कब शॉपिंग करनी है। तो सबसे पहले आपको आपके दुबई फ्ली मार्केट के टाइमिंग्स चेक करने हैं कि ये कब का है, सुबह का है या शाम का है। कभी कभार ये सुबह 10 बजे स्टार्ट होता है, दोपहर के 3-4 बजे तक होता है। कभी ये दोपहर के 3 बजे स्टार्ट होता है और रात के 10 बजे तक होता है। तो सबसे पहले आप इसका टाइम चेक करें, ठीक है। टाइम चेक करने के बाद आप अपने साथ अपनी शॉपिंग बैग्स अपने साथ कैरी करें। सो प्लीज़ कैरी अ शॉपिंग बैग विथ यू एंड ऑल्सो कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ कैश, एंड specifically if you have change then it's better. So always carry cash and shopping bag. Once you enter here, आपको हर एक चीज़ चेक करनी है। तो don't wait at the very first shop and start buying things unless until you really like it. अगर आपको वो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ गई है तो, और बहुत अच्छे प्राइस में मिल रही है, आप फ़ौरन से ख़रीद लें। बट मेरा सजेशन ये रहेगा कि सबसे पहले आप पूरा मार्केट का एक चक्कर लगाए, हर एक शॉप में जाके हर एक चीज़ देखें एंड देन लास्ट में डिसाइड करें आपको कौन सी शॉप से क्या चीज़ लेनी है। अगर आपको लगता है कि आप वो भूल जाओगे तो आप अपने फ़ोन से एक पिक्चर ले सकते हो। जस्ट टेक अ पिक्चर फ्रॉम योर फ़ोन ऑफ द आइटम्स you like and you can go back and buy that. But first I would suggest just check the entire market and take your own time because it is so worth it. You can see different people over there, different nationality. They all have their they have the stalls there. They're smiling at you, you are smiling at them. Some stall have songs going on, music going on, so you're just vibing with everything. Here I met this beautiful couple. They have their Instagram page also. I will show the code, their Instagram scanner code. They make this beautiful artwork and it was so amazing to see. It's their picture, they have displayed it. This is the way they use resin and preserve the photo, the picture forever. So they had amazing collection. आप इनके Instagram ID को follow कर सकते हो और you can order customize gifts for your loved ones from them. They are amazing. So this is their Instagram ID. Follow them and also order things from them. We should always support people who are trying to make something out of their art. So yeah, this is amazing and they had wonderful pictures. तो मैंने अच्छा खासा यहाँ पर आर्ट वर्क को देखकर टाइम स्पेंड किया एंड देन आई वेंट ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टॉल. Okay, so you guys are really looking forward to buy some mat, towels, blankets. These guys are always here and they sell for dirt cheap, like 5 dirhams, 10 dirhams, 20 dirhams. Oh my god, they're very, very, very affordable and very good quality. एंड फर्दर ऑन यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स. बहुत सारे कपड़े 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 कपड़े. तो आपने ना कपड़ों के लिए थोड़ा सा आपको समझ कर कपड़े लेना. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि कुछ यू नो देर इज़ नो टेयरिंग, देर इज़ नो स्मेल. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट you check the clothes thoroughly. Most of the clothes bought here to sell are in very good condition. They don't smell, they are not torn, they are all in very good condition. Here this woman has her stall this in Discovery Gardens every time, and she has very beautiful purses. She has amazing cookware set. You will get stainless steel cookware set from her in such cheap prices. And again further on there's a lot of clothes, so you make sure you take your time. Just don't buy because you see them. Buy if you really like the quality, because you can end up buying so many things. So what I do, I can suggest, so after going multiple times to flea market, I have realized that I have not set budget. So for example, अगर मुझे कुछ खरीदना है, मैं सिर्फ उतने ही पैसे लेकर जाऊंगी. लास्ट टाइम मैं जब गई थी तो मैंने सोचा था कि मैं सिर्फ 200 दिरहम लेके जाऊंगी और वो 200 दिरहम के अंदर मैं जितनी चीज़ें खरीद पाऊँ मैं उतनी चीज़ें खरीदूंगी. फिर कभी कभार हमारा बजट बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि हमें लगता है ये तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, तो बहुत सस्ते में मिल रही है, हमें बाहर नहीं मिलेंगी, तो फिर हम अपना बजट बढ़ा देते हैं. इसीलिए आप अपने पास उतना ही कैश रखें जितना आपको उस वक्त खर्च करना है. बिकॉज़ ये यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपको पसंद आती है और बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें आप ख़रीद लेते हो. तो जस्ट मेक श्योर अगर आप एक बजट में हो तो आप प्लीज़ अपने कैश उतना ही लेकर जाए जितना आपके खर्च करना है. अगर आपका बजट नहीं है, आपके पास बहुत पैसा है, तो बिल्कुल आप बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करें क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें मिलती है. तो एक और चीज़ है, यहाँ पर आपको खाने के लिए भी मिल जाएगा क्योंकि फुरजान मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास एक टी स्टेशन है, वहाँ पे चाय है, स्नैक्स है, सो एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर. दुबई फ्ली मार्केट का भी एक अपना स्नैक स्पॉट है. मोस्टली इट इज़ फ्राइड चिकन and it's mostly fried chicken. So if you want that you can get that, and after that you will see this antique stalls where you see very antique items, where you see a lot of even I have seen a lot of technical things. For example, मैंने एक बार देखा था यहाँ पर बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर के कीबोर्ड्स रखे हुए थे, बहुत सारी वायर्स रखी हुई थी. अगर आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक HDMI वायर चाहिए तो कभी कभार चांसेस है मिलने के. ये एक इंडियन स्टॉल था. दे हैव कुर्ताज एंड ऑल, एंड दिस इज़ कार पिज़्ज़ा बैग only for 25 dirhams. It was unbelievable and it was all new condition car pizza bag, that too a cloth bag. I loved it so much. But मैंने सोचा कि मुझे बजट करना था. I had specific budget in my mind. I couldn't buy it, but yeah, next time I will most definitely buy that bag. And इसके बाद if you see on the opposite side, this area is more of a sporty area where you can see boys caps, where you can see Jordans, Nikes, Adidas, all these shoes for boys, and they have shorts, they have sportswear, things like that. And after that you will see some ethnic shops where they have Arabic clothes as well as Indian clothes. Here you will see a lot of these cute stickers. Guys, now I will give you one tip how to bargain. Alright, so when you want to buy something, you have to be very polite. You are in Dubai, so in Dubai, if you are polite, if you are nice to the people, they are nice to you. You cannot be rude by saying that, oh, this is not even good, this is old, this doesn't look good, give me a good price. No, it is so rude. These people have spent money, bought a stall for 300 dirhams, so they expect to get some profit out of it. So you have to be kind to them. You have to make sure that you are nice when you are asking for a discount. You have to the best thing I do to get discount is I buy multiple things. So when I buy two, for example, this hoodie or this jacket is for 50 dirhams. So when I tell them, okay, if I buy two hoodies, can you give it to me for 80 dirham or 70 dirham? So I go a little less, I go 70, and they be like, okay, fine, 80. So there is an instant discount of 20 dirhams. You understand my point? So if you want to get a discount, first ask right away. If they are not giving you discount, you can add one more product and say that if you buy this too, can you give me discount? So they probably will give you discount. So this is how you will get the discount, guys. And my second tip is please wear comfortable shoes because there's a lot of walking and the grass here is good, but it's not so good. So yeah, please wear comfortable shoes. That would be amazing. And secondly, one of my suggestion is sizes. Okay, for example, you like something and you're not so sure about the sizes. So what do? In order to be sure about the sizes, especially when it comes to bottoms, because it's difficult. So before going to the flea market, make sure you check all your sizes. For example, if you wear a lot of H&M pants, just check in H&M what is your size and then note it down, and then take a measuring tape if you can. If most of the people, they don't have it with them, so it's okay. Just check your jeans size, and when you go there, just tell them that this is your size, so they will get one for you. And guys, one more biggest tip. Oh my god, how can I forget this? The most amazing tip is you have to go to the entire market and find a person, find a stall who is selling clothes of your size. For example, if you are a medium and you got a stall who is also a medium and selling all the medium clothes, oh my god, it's like entering into your sister's wardrobe and loving all the collection. Yeah, so get somebody of your size. So ask the person that what size majority you have. So if you are a medium and they are a medium, then it's a match. All right. Also, that's it. Also, wear flip-flops, because if you're gonna try a lot of shoes around, if you are gonna buy shoes, so it's easy for you to take the flip-flops out and try the shoes. All right, that's my tip. And one more tip. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. How can I forget the most important tip? Every tip is an important tip, but this tip, I will tell you. Actually, this tip you will get to know at the end of the video. So stay tuned, guys. You have to please wait till the end of the video, because that tip is the most important tip. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment that which things here you liked for yourself, and also comment if you want me to do another vlog, because this flea market is happening every month, every 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm really enjoying going to this flea. Oh my god, I love this sweater. I did not buy it, but I love this sweater. When I'm recording when I'm uploading this video, I am just looking at this sweater because I have a matching pant in this color, and I was thinking this would have looked so good with the pant. See, this is why you regret. If the things you like you don't buy, it haunts you. Most of the girls could relate to me. Anyways, so let me take you further. Just guys, one more tip: be aware of buying a lot of shoes. Shoes can be worn, so make sure that you buy mostly new shoes. So here I went to this flea market stall, and this lady had some real silver jewelry, and that was so beautiful, guys. It was real silver, and she is offering that for a bit of high price, because actually it's real silver. If you resell it, you will get the price, and if the silver prices goes up, you will get the you will, it's still like an investment. So yeah, that was an amazing piece. She had amazing silver earrings and rings and so many jewelry, even for men. So this was a heaven for me. I love to buy jewelry, especially if it's silver, gold, diamond, because these pieces are an investment pieces. So you don't just buy this jewelry, you can keep it with you and then resell it and get the gain, get the profit out of it. Also, these piles of clothes, they are sometimes are very cheap, 5 dirhams, 10 dirhams for two, and sometimes 2 dirhams. So you just have to make sure that you check and every each and every piece very carefully, because you might end up finding a Gucci shirt. All right, maybe a Gucci, maybe you'll find a designer bag, you never know. Alright guys, you can see a lot of people come with their own bags. So yeah, I will say that again, bring your own shopping bag so that you can put your stuff in it right after you purchase it. Alright, so this place was mostly for the scents, for the fragrances. I really liked it, and I went ahead and I see clothes for kids. Okay, so as you know, most of the Asian audience या आपको पता ही होगा that you know हमारे parents हमेशा बचपन में हमारे से एक size extra साइज़ का हमें क्लॉथ्स पहनाते थे ताकि हम उसको ज़्यादा टाइम तक पहन सके, बिकॉज जैकेट्स आर एक्सपेंसिव फॉर किड्स. सो हियर यू विल फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ जैकेट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ winter clothes for kids in fraction of a price. So yeah, please, you can get it for them if you're going for a holiday. Most of the people were going for holiday to Kazakhstan, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and they were all shopping for winter clothes, and it was so lovely to watch. And these guys, they have their stall every year, and they're so cool. They're so cool with their collection. I love it. Most of the time I try to buy all the clothes from the first few stall, because usually they have very good collection. When it comes to the end of the stalls, those are like very cheap in price but also good. I mean, it's all on you what you want. Guys, this flea market was from afternoon till night 10 p.m. so I went back again because the last tip is coming, guys. Okay, everyone wants to hear the last tip. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share. So the most important tip is going to the flea market 1 hour before it closes. Yes, 1 hour before it closes, because they are closing down. The chances of you getting best deals are 100%. You're gonna get more discount, and these are all the things I bought, and I was so happy. And that's for the day. Like, share, subscribe and comment, guys. Bye bye.